Why does debt affect your financial future? Imagine trying to build a house with bricks that keep falling apart. That's what debt can feel like when it piles up and makes your financial life shaky. When you borrow money, like for a car or a credit card, you agree to pay it back later, often with extra charges called interest. If you don't pay on time, those charges grow, and your debt gets bigger. This can make it harder to save money or reach your goals later on. Young people often don't realize how quickly debt can add up. For example, if you use a credit card and only pay the minimum amount each month, the interest can make what you owe double or triple over time. Missing payments can also hurt your credit score, which is a number that shows how trustworthy you are with money. A low score can make it tough to get loans for a house or a car or even rent an apartment. Debt also limits your choices. If a big part of your paycheck goes toward paying off loans or credit cards, you have less money for things like saving for college, starting a business, or even going on a trip. Student loans, for example, can be thousands of dollars, and paying them back can take years. If your income after school isn't high enough, it might delay your plans to buy a home or start a family. Not all debt is bad. Borrowing money to pay for education or a reliable car can help you improve your life. But debt becomes a problem when it's more than you can handle or used for things that don't last or help you grow. If you borrow money without a plan to pay it back, it can cause stress and limit your options in the future. Learning about debt now helps you make smarter choices later. Understand how loans and credit cards work, and always think about whether you really need to borrow money. Practice budgeting so you know where your money goes each month. Before borrowing, ask yourself if you can afford the payments and if it's worth it. If you do take on debt, make paying it off a priority. Building good habits now can help you avoid long-term money problems and give you more freedom as you grow older. Remember, the decisions you make about debt today shape your financial future. Being careful and responsible with borrowing can open more doors for you later on. Managing debt wisely means you can enjoy life more and have a stronger financial foundation for whatever comes next.